Hey everyone, here's the truth about weight loss. Eat right every day. If you're like me, you know losing weight can sometimes feel like a chore. But what if I told you there are some super simple swaps that can help you shed those pounds without even trying? That's right. I'm here to share 7 effortless weight loss tips you can start using today. So grab your notepad and let's dive in. First up, swap your regular soda for sparkling water. Soda is packed with sugar, but a fizzy water can satisfy that craving for bubbles without all those extra calories. Add a slice of lime or lemon for a refreshing twist. Next, let's talk about snacking. Instead of reaching for chips, try air-popped popcorn. It's low in calories, high in fiber, and still gives you that satisfying crunch. Number 3, switch your plate size. Using a smaller plate at meals can trick your brain into thinking you're eating more than you actually are, which can help you eat less without feeling deprived. Here's a sweet swap for you. Ditch those high-calorie desserts for frozen yogurt, or better yet, some chilled fruit. You'll cut down on sugar and fat while still treating yourself to something sweet. Moving on, let's make a simple change at breakfast. Instead of butter or margarine on your toast, top it with avocado. It's loaded with healthy fats and fiber that can help keep you full until lunch. Now, how about we take a closer look at cooking oils? Swap out vegetable oils for options like olive oil or coconut oil. These healthier fats are not only better for weight loss, but also great for your overall heart health. Lastly, think about how you're cooking your meals. Instead of frying, why not grill, bake, or steam your food? This way, you avoid extra calories and still keep all the delicious flavors. All right, y'all, those were my 7 easy tips to help you lose weight without even trying. Simple, right? Now, if you found these tips helpful, please like, share, and subscribe with us. Click the link below to get started and learn more about effortless ways to stay healthy and happy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.